Dpartner.
Hello YouTubers! Today, I am going to demonstrate how to rotate arms to 45 degrees in PowerPoint. I am now going to insert arms on my slide. Increase the size of the image. Press Shift, drag the arm upward to increase its size. Click Insert tab, then choose Rectangle. Create anchor point using rectangle. Press Ctrl button to achieve square shape. Go to Shape Fill, then select New Fill. In Shape Outline, choose No Outline. Group the arm and the square. Work for the left arm with the same procedure. Having square as anchor point, you must use Shift key to rotate the arm perfectly. Now group the two objects. Create a copy of the right arm. Rotate the one arm 45 degrees. And arrange their anchor points. Apply spin animation. Go to Effect Options, click Counterclockwise or Clockwise. Click Animation Pane, set it with Previous. Go to Effect Options, set the amount of rotation to quarter spin. Click Add Animation. Click Disappear. Set it with Previous. Set 1 second delay. Press Enter. Choose the 90 degrees arm. Appear animation. Set the start with Previous. Press Shift F5 to test the rotation. Now let's proceed to the left arm. Copy the left arm. Turn it to horizontal position. And align their anchor points. Now set the arm to 45 degrees position. Apply animation spin to the arm. Go to Effect Options and click Counterclockwise. Set the start to with previous. Go to Effect, Options, set the amount of rotation to quarter spin. Then click OK. Add disappear animation to the left arm. Set start to with previous. Set the delay to 1.5 seconds. Then hit enter. Then after that, put animation appear to the target arm, which position is 45 degrees. Set the start to with previous. Then press Shift F5 to save the animation.